What have you learned from Rajamouli sir? By being with this project, what have you learned from
To
him?
stop judging reality shows and start making movies. That is what I have learned.
Karan Johar, S.S. Rajamouli, Prabhas, Rana Daggubati, Tamanna Bhatia and others graced the launch of the much-awaited trailer of the film Bahubali at a multiplex in Mumbai. Have a look.
ये फिल्म ने ऐसा क्या आपको कन्विंस किया कि आप इसे
देखिए, कन्विंस करने की जरूरत, नाम सुन के मैं कन्विंस हो गया। इनका काम मैं बहुत देख चुका हूँ, बहुत सराह चुका हूँ और बेहद मोहब्बत है मुझे इनके काम के साथ। तो जब मैंने इनकी जो फिल्म देखी थी ईगा, तो मैं पूरा पागल हो गया, क्योंकि एक मक्खी पे पूरी पिक्चर बनाना, यहाँ बड़े बड़े सितारों के साथ हम कभी कभी गलत पिक्चर बना लेते हैं। एक मक्खी के ऊपर एक पूरी पिक्चर बनाना और कन्विंसिंगली बताना, वहाँ इमोशंस डालना और वो सब एक कहानी दौर बताना, ये काम सिर्फ एक जीनियस कर सकता है। तो जब राणा का फ़ोन मुझे आया था, उन्होंने कहा कि ये उनकी विजन है, मैंने सुन चुका था कि ये ऐसी फिल्म बन रही थी और हिंदुस्तान की सबसे बड़ी पिक्चर बन रही है। बड़ी स्केल्स की बात नहीं कर रहा, क्योंकि हम सब बहुत पैसे खर्च करते हैं, लेकिन उन पैसों को सही ढंग से खर्च करना और उस विजन को इस बदौर इस स्केल पे दिखाना, और जहाँ एक इमोशनल ग्राफ भी हो, ऐसी फिल्में बहुत कम बनती हैं, शायद बनी ही नहीं हिंदुस्तान में। तो आई वाज सो, जैसे कि द फेमस लाइन इन हॉलीवुड सेज ही हैड मी एट हेलो, दिस टाइम राणा हैड मी एट राजमौली। ही जस्ट सेड राजमौली, आई सेड आई एम ऑन, पुट माय नेम एनीवेयर यू वांट ऑन दिस फिल्म। मैं कहीं भी, मैं लास्ट क्रेडिट पे भी नाम डाल देते, मैं बहुत खुश हो जाता। देखो क्या होता है कि किसी ने इतनी मेहनत की और हम चढ़ जाए क्रेडिट खाने, हम बहुत अच्छे हैं इस डिपार्टमेंट में।
जितनी एपिक ये मूवी बनी है, why do you think that Bollywood has not made such an epic movie on such large scale? That looks so promising, Bahubali.
We don't have him, no. We don't have him. Where is the Rajamouli in India? We don't have him. It's a simple answer. We had a man with this vision and somebody who would put his life just on edge for over 3 years and not care about anything else in the world but that cinema. I'm not that filmmaker, and I know nobody else is either. We don't have him. It's as simple as that.
What have you learned from Rajamouli sir? By being with this project, what have you learned from
To
him?
stop judging reality shows and start making movies. That is what I have learned.
बी अल्फाबेट आजकल काफी आपके साथ लगा हुआ है।
हाँ।
बॉम्बे वेलवेट, देन ब्रदर्स इज कमिंग, देन बाहुबली। तो एक जमाना था जब के आता था, अभी बी है, तो इसको आप
वो दूसरे अल्फाबेट्स को बुरा लग रहा था ना, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि उनकी क्या गलती थी, के को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दे दिया, बी पे मैं चढ़ गया हूँ।
The film says Bahubali the beginning. So do we expect to see more films in this series?
Yes, it is a 2-part film. This is the first part that we are coming with, Bahubali the beginning. The second part will come 1 year later.
Of course, working with him in a second movie is again a dream come true. And I didn't realize when I signed in for the movie, and I remember the first day when we went on set and stood there after listening to the script and listening to how big it was. Never realized how big it was till we stood on that set. We just were lost, in terms of now what do we speak, what do we say? Everything was so big. And then he's always been there to guide us and take us through it. So it's been an amazing journey.
When I came onto the film, they had already finished about 150 days of shooting. And when I went on, when I actually had gone to the set in RFC just to meet Rana and Sweetie, Anushka. So I just gone to say hello to my friends, and I met Shobhu sir there. And a few days later, I got signed on to Bahubali.
Like maybe they shot with me in 380 or 50, I don't know. They shot with me more than nearly 300 days. After 250 days, I really got frustrated. Now I was like, Raj, I want to say, I didn't tell him, but I was like, Raj, now it's enough. We'll see, we'll watch the film. Whatever it's done, just show it.
First time he told me the story, and I knew I had to give a large part of time, and I was not the hero of the film also. But then one thing I knew was this is the largest thing in cinema that I'd ever be part of, and I didn't know if anyone will ever make a film like this again. So which is why every day was a pleasure.